Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Every now and then I love to dive back into this hobby with the same excitement as the very first day. Let me explain. I find it incredibly relaxing to start a project without too much planning, just focusing on having fun. And what's better than a ready-to-assemble kit when you're looking for some effortless crafting fun? This MDF kit is just one among countless options you can find online. There's plenty to choose from. The beauty of these kits is that MDF is perfect for sci-fi terrain. It's easy to work with, great for adding details, and perfectly captures the industrial aesthetics. The assembly process is pure fun. It's like a mix between playing with Lego and solving a puzzle. Finding the right piece, fitting it in place, and maybe adding a personal twist. It's crafting at its best. But here's where the real magic happens: customization. That's when creativity truly comes alive, and I bring in additional materials to enrich the terrain and make it unique. Here are some of the materials I used. Graphics medium chipboard for creating closure walls that seamlessly blend with the structure. Super glue and diluted PVA glue for strong, durable bonds. Plastic baskets from Easter eggs, which, with a bit of imagination, become perfect industrial elements. Cardstock and custom jewelry piece to craft custom steel panels. Mantic Games Terrain Crate for fantastic details like air vents. there's more. I built support pillars for the walkways using a simple but effective technique, adding a more solid appearance to the structure. Finally, a simple water gun provided fantastic material for this type of terrain. Once painted, this straightforward kit guarantees perfect immersion for your futuristic dystopian battles. It's a simple and fun way to enhance your gaming table. Thank you for watching this video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Happy crafting!